Not because nature failed, but because we forgot.
Before cities rose, before roads divided the land, there was balance.
Then came progress, faster than forests could grow, louder than oceans could breathe. Rivers became drains, air turned toxic, highways cut forests apart.
Climate is changing. Species are disappearing. Ecosystems are breaking.
The Earth does not belong to us. We belong to Earth.
Choose Coexistence is a cinematic journey into climate awareness and sustainable living.